No.
Yes. I agree with you on this matter.
No.
Yes.
She goes to school every day. No.
Yes. I didn't go there yesterday. No.
Yes.
Can you lend me $10?
No.
Yes.
He is married to Sarah. No.
Yes.
I'm interested in books. No.
Yes. I'm 25 years old and I love traveling.
No.
Yes.
Let's discuss the project tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
She's good at singing classical songs. No.
Yes.
I look forward to meeting you soon.
Bonus phrase.
It's high time you studied English more seriously.
Many learners are surprised to see the past tense, studied, here. In fact, in this expression we use the past tense, but the meaning is about the present or future.
Which of these phrases have you been using incorrectly? Write in the comments. In next video, I'll share rare but powerful expressions that make your English sound more natural. Don't forget to subscribe.